just finished blowing one and put it in there, and now he's starting again. And I'm like, when's your next one? He's like, immediately. I'm like, okay.
Again?
So what does cobalt give you always?
Blue.
Cobalt blue. Always strong blue. That's a copper blue, all color. So you start off with not sand from the beach, sand from the mountains, the whitest, clearest sand you've ever seen. Then we add fluxes to soften up, make it glass. Then we add precious metals to get the different colors. Gold, manganese, tin, cobalt, copper, all the different metals.
hot enough that he can handle it. But also, I'm sure he's got a lot of practice and his hands are used to that too.
He said he's been doing it 40 years.
Yeah. Here's his estimate. Two. Then I was on Jackie yesterday. The cooler as you get further away from the carpet, it's got a tad heat, but I'm sure it's still quite warm.
Wow, color in the bottom.
you.
Thank you.
You're not paying for the time it takes, you're paying for the experience.